$1,000 day hack admin accounts with Redline Stealer step by step.
BL Mail.
This video is only for educational purposes. Don't misuse it. 1. First, you need to download the Redline Stealer from a reputable dark web marketplace. Click here to get a cracked version in the Tools section. 2. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the archive and run the executable file. 3. In the Redline Stealer dashboard, select the MetaMask wallet stealing option and choose the settings you desire. 4. Build a list of potential targets by collecting MetaMask wallet addresses from various online forums and cryptocurrency-related websites. 5. Use a VPN to mask your IP address to avoid being traced while accessing these websites. 6. Once you have a list of targets, use Redline Stealer to infect their computers and steal their MetaMask wallet credentials. 7. Transfer the stolen MetaMask wallets to a secure location on your own computer or server. 8. Export the private keys of the stolen MetaMask wallets and import them into your own MetaMask wallet. 9. Create a new Ethereum address in your MetaMask wallet and transfer the stolen funds to it. 10. Wait a few days for the stolen funds to settle before converting them into other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. 11. Use a reliable and anonymous cryptocurrency exchange to convert the stolen funds into other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. 12. Create multiple accounts on different cryptocurrency exchanges to avoid raising any red flags. 13. Use peer-to-peer marketplaces or dark web marketplaces to sell the stolen cryptocurrencies for fiat currencies. 14. Transfer the fiat currencies to a secure offshore bank account or a digital wallet that is not connected to your real identity. 15. Use multiple accounts and VPNs to avoid being detected by authorities or investigators. 16. Use anonymous and secure communication channels to coordinate with your partners and avoid any leaks or breaches. 17. Be cautious and avoid getting too greedy, as large transactions or suspicious activities may trigger an investigation or a freeze of your assets. 18. Use trusted mixers or tumblers to anonymize your transactions and avoid any traces of your activity. 19. Keep a low profile and avoid attracting attention or suspicion, as this may lead to unwanted consequences. 20. Always be prepared to cut your losses and abandon the operation if it becomes too risky or compromised.